Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update PhilHealth MDR online. First, you will need to download the PhilHealth Member Registration Form, or PMRF, from the official PhilHealth website. Once downloaded, print this form on A4 paper. Carefully fill out all required sections by hand, ensuring all information is accurate and legible. This form is crucial for initiating any changes to your member data record. Next, gather all necessary supporting documents for your update. This includes a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. You will also need specific documents related to your requested changes, like a marriage certificate for a change in civil status. Make sure all these documents are clear and easy to read, as you will need to scan or photograph them. Now, it's time to submit your documents. Scan or take clear photos of your filled-out PMRF, your valid ID, and all supporting documents. Locate the official email address of your local PhilHealth office or the PhilHealth Action Center. Compose an email with a subject line like Updating of PhilHealth MDR and attach all your scanned or photographed files before sending. After submitting your email, patiently wait for PhilHealth to process your update. This may take some time. Once processed, log into your PhilHealth member portal using your registered account. From there, you can view, download, or print your updated member data record to confirm that all your requested changes have been successfully applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.